Hey guys, so now I'm sewing the puppet as I promised.
Hi guys.
Okay. So this is way harder because I can't really sew. But it's easy, you know.
Yeah.
Okay, no, it's not. I just oopsie.
Yes, that was cool.
This is even harder here.
You gotta give this Royals team credit.
They can't see you, you know that, right?
Well, I bet they can't hear me.
They can hear you, yes.
To win this series tomorrow in that afternoon game.
How are you guys liking that Rainbow Friends video, huh? Y'all liking those? Y'all subbing because of those? Y'all subbing so we can be even because of those?
He's going 6 or 7 innings. I mean, the guy's a workhorse. And,
Whatever, what am I going to say? This is one of my first time stitching something. Uh-oh, I just stabbed into, ow! Frick. I wasn't paying attention and I stabbed myself in the chest. I didn't break any skin though. It's just a little red.
What colors are you? I don't have any colors I like, but I like blue.
What are you talking? Ethan, what are you talking about?
I'm trying to grow in the dark slime.
Oh, cool.
Popsicles?
This is just gonna, on YouTube, I'm just gonna make this a video instead of a short.
Are you pretending?
No, I'm not. This is a real video. Okay.
I don't see your phone anywhere.
Well, that's because it's up here. Yeah. This is gonna be on YouTube as a regular video
Yes.
because I'll probably just delete the other shorts of the other one. Okay, that was a pretty big stitch. How the rest of everything?
Okay, here's your slime.
Babe, I can't really. He made me slime in a game, but I can't really do it because I have these.
I'll do it then. Whoa, so cool.
Can I look?
So rainbow.
Okay, that's nice.
Yes.
Of course, this needle through. Also, I accidentally said that this was a skeleton plushie that I transformed. No,
Puppet from Five Nights at Freddy's.
it was a skeleton puppet that I transformed into the puppet from Five Nights at Freddy's.
And I got a scary monster puppet.
That he transformed into what we're supposed to.
Yeah.
Okay,
I
well.
changed it onto scary monster.
Okay, well, bye, because this video is about done.